and welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 3. Today we're going to divide by a 2-digit divisor. So real quick, I just wanted to review what are the names of the different numbers in a division sentence. So we've got the dividend divided by the divisor equals the quotient. And notice when we put it into the little white house here, the dividend and the divisor switch spots. So up here it was dividend divisor. Here it's, if you were reading from left to right, you would say divisor and dividend. But when we're reading a division problem, we would first say the dividend divided by the divisor is the quotient, the number on top. The answer is a quotient. So let's get started. Example 1. The yearbook committee took 836 photos with a digital camera over 76 days. If they took an equal amount of photos each day, how many photos did they take each day? Check your answer for reasonableness. So I'm going to take 836 pictures and divide them among 76 days, and that's going to tell me P pictures per day. Okay, so first off, if I estimated, I could do 800 divided by 80, and that's going to be 10. Right? If I wrote it out like this, I'd say, well, 180 goes into 80 minus 80, 0. How many 80s go into 0? 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, 10. So our answer should be about 10 pictures a day. So let's check it out. And it's going to be a little, probably low. So it might be a little more than 10 if I actually do it. But okay. So what I'm going to do is first divide the tens. 83 divided by 76. So 83 divided by 76. And my first digit in the quotient is going to go above the 3. So I know that 176 can go into 83, and that's 76 times 1 is 76. So when I subtract that, I'm going to get 7. Okay. So 76 divided by 76, well, look at that. 1. Well, that wasn't too bad. It's like, man, this might be a doozy, but no, not too bad. Just 11. Well, isn't that nice? Okay, so 836 divided by 76 is 11. Since P equals 11, that means the yearbook committee will take 11 photos each day. And 11 is close to 10, which was our estimate up here. So we're good to go. Nice. Okay, next one. 751 divided by 30. Now this one is going to have remainder, yep. So if I did 750 divided by 30, well, 75 divided by 30 is about 2. 75, okay, 30. Okay, I'm dividing it out. 2 minus 6, 25. Okay, well, 25 here we got. 25, our answer should be about 25, because notice our zeros cancel each other out. So I'm really doing 75 divided by 3, and I got 25. So our answer hopefully will be somewhere around 25. So if I say how many 30s can go into 75, 30, 60, that'd be 2. 30 times 2 is 60. And I subtract, I get 15. Okay. Well, now I'm doing 151 divided by 30. 30, 60. I'll write it down. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. Oh, look how close we can get. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And plus I know that 3 times 5 is 15, so then add my 0, 150. 30 times 5 is 150. My 5 here times 30 here. So I have 1 left over. So my answer is 25, remainder 1. Well, I would say that is pretty darn close to my estimate of 25. Look at that. 25 remainder 1. So 25 is about 25 remainder 1, which was my actual answer. Here's my estimate and my actual. So yeah, there we go. And again, I didn't talk about this, but because we were doing not 7 divided by 30, I couldn't do that. I need to do 75. My answer goes above, or my first digit in my quotient goes above the 5. Guided practice. Here we go. Can't do 1 divided by 16. And some teachers teach, hey, put a 0 there, because I can't do it. But if I bop over to 17 divided by 16, that'd be 1. 16 times 1 is 16. Subtract, I get 1 left over. Notice my digit went above the 7. And then if I do 16 divided by 16, that's another 1. Look at this. Isn't it nice when it works out so nicely? So my answer is 11. Check for reasonableness. Okay, if I were to do this, I would do 160 divided by 16, right? Because then that's just going to be 10. And 11 is about 10. So good to go. Okay. Oh, they said our estimate should have been 180 divided by 20. I kind of like mine better though. 180 divided by 20. 18 divided by 2 would be 9. So their estimate would be 9. I think I'm a little closer. At 10. Interesting. So again, it shows. They chose 180 and 20. I didn't even see that there. And I chose 160 divided by 16. And I kind of like mine better because I didn't change the divisor. I kept it the same. So, anyways, either one you choose is A-okay because they both get you a close answer, don't they? All right, let's keep going. Okay, 874 divided by 23. Okay, I can't do 8 divided by 23, so I'm going to go over to 87. So let's see, 23, if I double it, I'll get 46. If I add 23, 69. If I add 23, I'm going to have too much. 92. Okay, so I can do 1, 2, 3 minus 69. 17 minus 9 is 8. 7 minus 6, 18. 184. Oh, okay. Well, here we go. We had 23, 46. Let me erase some of this busyness. 46, 6, 69, 92, 9, 10, 11, 115. I just kind of like to keep it clean here. 15, 115 plus 23, 138, 161. Oh, well, look at that, 184. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So let's check it. Let's do 23 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 2 more is 18. 184. So I can subtract 184 and I get a 0 remainder. So our answer is 38. Let's check it with an estimate. So I'm going to make this a 20. And I'm going to make that, I don't want to do 80, but I think I got 800. Okay, 8 divided by 2 is 4. These zeros cancel out, but I'm left with 1 left over. 40. So is 40 close to 38? Yes, it is. Okay, Let's see here. Why isn't it letting me erase that? Isn't that suspicious? Okay. I'm just erasing. I wouldn't expect you to erase on your notebook because you can just go on forever. When I'm on an iPad screen, though, I'm kind of limited. So let's do this last one here. 940 divided by 58. So 94 divided by 58 is just going to be 1 minus 58. 8, 14, 8, 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bring down my 0. How many 58s can get to 360? So here's my typical strategy. I don't usually waste my time adding 58, adding 58, adding 58. My strategy is usually 58 is about 50. Okay, it's going to be more, so I might have to go down a little bit. But if I count by 50s, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, so that would be 7 50s, would be 350s. I don't think we can go that high, so I'm going to try 6. Okay, so I'm going to say, hey, what is 58 times 6? And see if it gets me close. So 6 and 8 is 48. 5 and 6 is 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 348. Yeah, we're not going to add another 58 in there, are we? So that was 6 58s minus 348. 5, 10, 2, 1, 12. So it would be 16, remainder 12. So that's how I typically do it. I try to find a number that's near it. So I kind of use my estimation. I count by that to get close to what I'm looking at. I was looking at 360. So I got up to 350 with 7 50s. But because I knew my actual number was larger, 58, then I went down to trying 6 to see if 6 would work. Okay. I do want to do these here quick. Find the variable in the equation. So we're just solving, right? We've got this divided by this, and we're looking for the quotient. Okay, so I'll do 803 divided by 73. So 80. Put my first digit above the 0. It's going to be 1. Minus 73. Oh, look at this. 73 divided by 73 is 1. 73 times 1 is 73. 0. So m is equal to 11. Okay, next. Again, we're just dividing. 988 goes inside. 76 goes outside. 98 divided by 76 is 1. So that's going to go above the 8. Minus 76. 22, 228. Okay, so again, I know that 2 75s are 150. Okay, so that would mean 4 would be 300. So let's try 3. What is 76 times 3? 18, 21, 22. Wow, look at that. So again, I said 2 75s was 150. If I doubled that to 4, it'd be 300. 4 75s are 300. So I backed down to 3 and tried it. If 3 didn't work, then I could adjust from there. Maybe I need to go a little higher and do 4. Maybe I need to go lower and do 2. 2 76s. So we got lucky here. 3. 76 times 3, we already did it. Minus 228 is 0. So D is equal to 13. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching to the very end, and I will see you later.